you go. Welcome to my trading journal. I'm Tristan. I'm going for 300K in Top Step funded accounts right now, and I'm documenting every single trade along the way. Last night I landed a trade and I'm really excited to break it down for you. Let's get into it. Okay, so the way that I'm going to be structuring this channel is I'm going to be showing you my trades, obviously, but teaching you the concepts that led me to catch the trade. So this first concept is very important and it changed my whole trading career. It made me a profitable trader, and that's draw on liquidity. Draw on liquidity comes in the form of buy stops or sell stops. So below lows or above highs, there's orders that the market wants to activate before going higher or lower. Usually it wants to go on a liquidity raid. It'll generate liquidity, which is the green lines that I have delineated for you, and then it hunts the liquidity. So when there's no imbalances on the same side of all the stacked highs, then and there's no cleared balances on the lows, then that means that it's gonna hunt liquidity in the forms of recent highs or recent lows. You can tell because they're all stacked up next to each other like a bunny hills going down, or vice versa for the opposite trade. The reason why recent highs and recent lows are so important is because when you have the correct bias, you have a whole bunch of recent highs to the left and your bias is bullish, it's gonna raid all those highs. And on the opposite hand, if you were bearish, it's gonna raid all those lows. So when you mark the recent highs and recent lows, now that you're paying attention to them, you can see how the market reacts off of these levels and chases these levels, even generates these levels, and then hunts these levels. All right, without further ado, I'm gonna play the clip of me trading live last night before I get into my analysis. All right, so right now I'm in for a buy and it's on NQ. As you see, it's chasing the liquidity to the left. I'm tired right now. I was editing all night. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait this one out. But oh, well, there you go.
Order filled.
I'm gonna close right here.
Order filled.
There we go. Alright, I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. I would have held longer, but I'm tired. So let's just take that profit. Alright. Real cool. We just got 2,000 for the day. I'm gonna go to sleep. Alright. Good night. Yeah, I was tired. Yeah, I was tired. I'm gonna get into the analysis now. Like, I'm actually gonna look at the market and I'm gonna tell you exactly everything I was thinking. But yeah, without further ado. Okay, so this is the trade that I profited on right here. This candlestick right here is the one I profited on. I took my profit out at a buy right here because I saw this liquidity raid happening. I was able to take my trade out right here live. You guys saw it because of this liquidity raid. If I held it, it would have been a losing trade. But the reason why I didn't hold it was because my original premise was to chase this liquidity. But I was really tired that night because I was up late editing, as I said in the video. So I just wanted something that I knew would work, and then I can go to sleep. Now, I've been trading for 5 years, so I was comfortable enough taking that, but I would not recommend that. So this is the move that I wanted to see happen. As I've been showing you all video, liquidity, draw, mark the recent lows, boom, you caught the recent lows. How did I catch my trade? I caught it the same way you would have caught this trade. I marked these recent highs and I targeted them and I pulled out right here as I did live. Now I'm gonna tell you where I think the market's going now. So my analysis for September 10th, today, these institutional levels where it's at right now is this 4-hour order block right here, the lower one, and price rejected off these over here, and I delineated this one right here. The higher one you could have used up here because it is the largest. up close candle to the support level. But I'm expecting higher prices because overall, two reasons. All of these highs right here that I can mark out with green lines like I did earlier in this video, and it didn't break this low, so why do I have to expect it to go down here? I know I marked out these recent lows, but it didn't break this low, so I need proof before it does anything. It is now at this institutional level like I said earlier, and there's a breaker right here, so I need to see how it responds off this. I don't feel like trading until New York today because there's nothing really setting up right now, but on lower time frames you could have caught this breakout right here. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions about trading, please ask, and until next time.